In this video, I will show you how to change store language in Steam. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Steam now. In order to go ahead and change the store language, it's really easy to do. What you're going to want to do once you're logged into Steam is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your name up here, which says Manage Account. Then you need to come down and click onto Store Preferences. From here, all you need to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and you're going to see an option for language preferences. So go ahead to give that a click. And from here, you can choose your primary language from the drop down box. You can also choose a secondary language if you want to as well. All you would do is select your language from the drop down box. So say for example, we wanted to change to Spanish, I would select Spanish from the list. Then what you need to do is come down to the bottom and click the green save button. Once you've done that, it's going to reload in Spanish as you can see, and that is how to change the store language in Steam. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.